I'm a nut truck. That little IG, change, put it in the cup. Round to the side piece, pop out that night and double up. Start talking Chinese, but all these things in the cup.
These young money and young weezy, man, this shit too easy. Every season, showing me that cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, just like that therapeutic. She take that sound called best, so she won't think I need it.
Hey, I had to put on a little intro music, but we're doing a hiccup conversation again. And this time I'm talking about the shock that you feel when you find out that somebody you like or somebody you wanted to get with in a relationship or try to cultivate or develop something with, when you get that phone call or you make that phone call and you feel silly when you find out they done moved on. And moved on without you. Sometimes you might want to chuckle on the phone like, but you're feeling embarrassed than a mother. Word to my mother. You are super embarrassed. And you look like in this game of checkers or chess, your piece just got knocked off the table. So today's hiccup conversation is either when you wait too late, move too slow, study long, study wrong, or whatever you want to say, born too late, don't have enough movement, no groove in your step or whatever. You got to count when you dance, whatever else, you know. Anything else that can make you be absent in this process. And now you're feeling a certain kind of way. So it's a hiccup conversation. And how would you feel if the person that you like or you want to talk to dropped a bomb on you and told you that they're in a relationship with somebody else? I love y'all.